So won't you come back home? Oh, won't you come back home? Oh, won't you come back home?
What is up? Welcome to today's video. We're so glad you guys are here. Today we are doing a little kitchen DIY, little kitchen remodel.
Yeah, so a little backstory. When we moved in, the people before us were finishing up some remodels, and when we bought it, there were just some unfinished things.
Yeah.
And so one of those things is the caulking in the kitchen. So really small detail, but makes a huge difference when it's finished. So today we're gonna tackle that. It's freezing and snowing, so we're gonna try to stay inside as much as possible. But we are gonna run to Lowe's really quick to grab
Little
some.
at-home project.
And yeah.
All right, let's go. Come with us. Okay, so we're here. There's a ton of options, but what we're gonna look for, we're looking for kitchen and bath.
Oh.
And the thing that you need to watch out for is there's different colors. So if you don't catch it, this one's clear. This one's like a gloss white, which is what we want. And so we're going with this DAP Quick Seal Ultra. One thing you want to look for, you do not want to get acrylic. So this is silicone base. This is
Silicone.
Silicone?
Yeah.
This is silicone based, and that's exactly what you want to get. So silicone based, and we need
But why?
gloss white. The reason that you don't want acrylic is because it's really hard to clean up. This stuff, you just need like a wet rag, just wipes right up, super easy. And so we're gonna grab that. The next thing that we need is, you're gonna need a caulk gun. And so this one is fine. It doesn't have to be anything fancy, but this is what it looks like, and this is how you load it. So this one's got like a little lever, pull it back, slide it in. There you go. Locked and loaded, baby. We've got our caulk, we've got our gun, ready to go. Head back to the house, and we're gonna get started. Hi, Rex. Y'all are crazy. Here's our kitchen, and if you can tell, I'm gonna show you guys really quick. If you can tell, all around the bottom, it's just left unfinished. You can see just that gap all the way around. So that's what we're gonna be fixing. It's super easy. It does not take a lot of time, doesn't take a lot of effort, but it really will make the world a difference. So we forgot to mention tape. Tape, this is like a lifesaver right here. Caitlin's cleaning off all the stuff. And what you want to do with this is you want to put it down all around at the base of your countertops. And so what will happen is after you caulk it, you let it dry just a little bit, and then you just peel the tape right up, and it creates just a seamless line all the way around. Tape is a lifesaver, so grab just some painter's tape, super easy.
The best one is frogs.
Frogs. Frogs painter's tape is the best one. It's green, just like this. The whole kitchen is taped, so you can see all the way around the base. Now it's time to start caulking. So you can see I cut it at an angle, pretty good size. It just depends how big your gap is, but you cut it and then you just kind of slide it in just like that. Let's go.
Waiting forever to find me something to chase you. Your body go like a tempo. Open your doors for me. Open your doors for me.
Everything is caulked all the way around. We waited about 5 minutes. You want to let it dry just for 3 to 5 minutes. That's it. You're going to grab just a wet paper towel like this, and we're going to start going around and just really just cleaning it up. And so watch. You just take it and you just want to kind of smooth it out. Just like that. And you want to make sure it's pretty wet. Kind of getting it all cleaned up, making sure all the gaps are kind of filled. And there might be some places, like right here, we just need to add a little bit more. It's kind of sinking in a little bit. So you just kind of fill it in. And it doesn't have to be pretty, it doesn't have to be perfect. Over here, this is really starting to look good. You can see super smooth. That's exactly what you want it to look like. Just kind of all the way across. And then after it dries for a little bit, we'll just pull up the tape and we'll be good. Pre-work snack. Middle work snack. Yes. Okay, what you think?
We waited a little bit and we're gonna go ahead and try to take up the tape. There is a good chance that we might have to go over it and clean up some spots, but I think it should be dry enough. You wanna wait? We waited probably a few hours. Yeah, so see how it's coming right up? And because we put that tape there, it's making a nice line. Oh, it's a little wet right there. It might be okay.
Yeah, that's okay.
It'll be okay. But see how clean it looks on the counter? If we wouldn't have had that tape there, it wouldn't be. See right here, we've done it. We put the tape a little too deep, which is okay. We'll just take a wet rag and we'll go back over it and we'll kind of clean it up.
So here's before. And here's after. So you can see how much of a difference that made. Over here. Woo. Looks super good. Good job, babe. That's a wrap. That's it. We are finished. Listen, all of that was under, what was it? Under
$18.
$18. Under $20. And that literally changed the whole feeling of our kitchen. I mean, it helped to make it look more complete. And the cool thing is that you can do that too. There's things that you can do in your house that sometimes just takes a little bit of work, a little elbow grease, and it can be super inexpensive and it adds a lot of value. We hope that encourages you to do something. We have so much more to do. So much more throughout the whole house, just like that can just take a step up.
So thank you guys.
Wait, hold on. I forgot to do something. Hey, quick tip. At the end of this, we're gonna have extra, and you can just stick like a little screw or a nail or something in there, and then it will keep it from hardening. So you like save everything that you have left for future reference. Just a quick tip.
We'll see you next time.
All right, peace.
Home, oh, won't you come back home?